So we showed up to EPCOT for the Flower and Garden Festival, and the menu literally changed the day before we got here.
So today we're trying literally everything at Brunchcot and a bunch of new festival items. They need to sell this somewhere else to see what's actually worth your money. So where do we go first? We went to Brunchcot first.
What was that?
With the thing we literally got one of everything off the menu. It was the avocado toast, the French toast, the fruit cereal shake, and the shrimp and grits.
That was good.
So we have to rate them all and explain why. So start out with the avocado toast. Was it basic or elevated? It was definitely elevated. I don't know what half the stuff on it was. I started to pick something off. I don't know really what it was, like a radish or something, but I know it wasn't because it was a big I don't know what it was, but it was crunchy and I just picked it
We didn't
off.
know it was on it, so elevated.
It was definitely elevated.
It was too fancy for me.
Portion size, I think it was pretty good. For one person, we shared, well, we got everything off the menu, so we shared everything.
Portion size for me.
For Flower and Garden Festival food, that was pretty good.
Portion size for me, because I can compare that to some things that I was like, all right, that's a good portion. Portion size, good or bad?
Yes, we're using all these to consider what is this final score.
Portion
I know
size.
in the vlog, if you watch the vlog, we're gonna give you our on-site rating, but we had nothing to go off of. So now we're making this video after we've tried all of the things and then ranking them accordingly. So out of everything we tried at EPCOT that day, what would you rank the avocado toast?
1 out of 10, avocado toast was a 8.
I was gonna say 8.5 or a 9. Not because it was good, but just because it was the best avocado toast I've ever had. But there was other stuff that we tried that I liked better.
That's true.
That I would pick over that.
Scale 1 to 10 on avocado toast, 9.5.
Yeah.
But just based on
Out of all the
everything
food
we had.
So next up was the French toasts. That was so good. Portion size was small, but it's very rich, just as a warning.
Yeah.
So you do want to share it with someone because it's very rich. So sharing wise, it was good. And out of French toast, I wouldn't be able to eat a lot, but it was very good French toast. I would probably...
Obi, we've been joined. French toast. I can't rate it better than the avocado toast. Avocado toast was really good, so I'm gonna tie it at 8.
Yeah, because avocado toast was like fresh and you could eat a lot of it. French toast, you could not eat a lot, so maybe I wouldn't do 9.5. I would do like 9. It was still really good, but it's you can't eat a lot of it. Shareable, definitely. Sweetness level, very sweet. Is it a breakfast or a snack? I would definitely say snack because you can't fill up on it.
On today's terms, they'd call it breakfast. That's a snack. That is...
It's a sweet.
You can't eat that and be like, all right, had breakfast.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Next up, the fruit cereal shake. He said he didn't taste anything in it. I liked it a lot. It wasn't very sweet, so you could have the whole thing. Some people said it was too sweet. I didn't think it was too sweet. It tasted exactly like it sounds. It tastes like Fruit Loop milkshake.
Yeah, I mean, it tasted good. It was just like, I feel like I've had something like it before.
Yeah, so what would you rank it? I'd say like 8.5.
7.
He didn't like it at all. Well, he said
7.
He said he couldn't taste
7, that is still above average.
He said he couldn't taste it. Some people said it's too sweet, so where's the line?
No, it was sweet. I could taste the sugar, but it was like the flavor itself. It was like, I'd had it before.
Okay. Would you buy it again? I would.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we got the shrimp and grits.
Woo-hoo.
That, I don't usually like grits. I don't usually eat shrimp. But that, and I also heard a bunch of people on the line told us, I don't usually eat shrimp and grits, but you gotta try that. Remember that?
Yeah, and I eat shrimp and grits, and that was good.
So I would definitely rank that like a 9.5. Not gonna say 10 just cause I don't think anything.
Yeah, I'll say
If we ever
9.5.
rank something a 10,
That's like...
you know what I would rank a 10? A sneak peek for later. I would rank that a 10. Okay, so then we went to, I'm not sure exactly where it's called, I'll put it on the screen, but we got the chip and dip trio.
Oh, that was pretty good.
I didn't eat any of that because we literally just ate all the Brunchcot food and he still got so what would you, well, if you watch the vlog, he ranked each one individually, so stay tuned for that, but overall, the chip and dip, what would you rank that out of 10? Out of all the stuff we had. I feel like it's good,
8.
good snack, but it's, what?
8. I liked it better than the cereal milk.
You're crazy. Did you try the peach cobbler smoothie thing that my dad got? I tried the peach whatever smoothie that my dad got. Or like, I don't like fake fruit flavors, but that was really good. Then my parents got the chocolate maple whiskey cake. They said it was very good, and it just basically like dissolves in your mouth, like it just melted in their mouth. And they said it was so good, so I believe they would have ranked that a 9 or a 10. Then you got the beef tenderloin from the same place. How's that? I didn't try it because I was still full.
It was just, is roast normal everywhere? Like, if I said roast, people know what that is?
I think so. But you also didn't get the real experience because I believe it had tree nuts because you got a special. They didn't give you all the sauce or something. Something was missing because it had tree nuts. That's why you had that purple.
Oh, yeah. Well, it was roast. It was beef, carrots, potatoes. It was good. I'd say I liked it because when you're in Disney and you're eating, it's like you're trying all these different foods that you've never had before, and that one was just like
a home-cooked meal.
Yeah.
It sounded like it was very hearty, like an actual good filler food for the day.
It was definitely, it filled me up a little bit more than everything else, so I think that's why I liked it.
Was it tender?
It was tender.
Was it worth the price?
It was worth the price.
Would you order it again?
I would order it again. 2.
Alright.
2 next time because I could eat more of it.
It was smaller, but I guess it had mashed potatoes.
In terms of like when I speak upon quantity, there's a given expectation of when you go to Disney, at least for me, the quantity is not like a lot. I like to eat a lot of food. So when I say that roast or beef tenderloin filled me up compared to eating
that French toast,
3 dishes of dip and chips, like it was a little bit more. Beef was an 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, quicker ones we're gonna briefly go over because we either just barely tried it or other people told us because you couldn't have it. The lemon macaron had almonds, so we couldn't have it, but everyone else in my family got it, said it was the best thing, so take that as you will. We didn't try it, we couldn't. My parents got the strawberry rice pudding.
You tried that.
I did try it, it was pretty good. That's not something I would pick, so that would be an unfair rating. I would give it probably like a 6. Strawberry rice pudding, would I buy it on my own after I tried it? Probably not, but I think they liked it. It wasn't like a wow factor for them, but they liked it. The cold brew, what was that? Cold brew she got had all the chunks in the top. I did not even try that, did not want to.
Oh my gosh.
I do not think she wanted to order it again. I don't even know what the ranking was. Where were we that they got that?
I don't know, I just
We were
looked
near
at
Japan, I think. One of those pavilions. I could be wrong, but it was near Japan somewhere.
I just looked at it, that was weird.
I did not want to try that. There's weird bread. I don't know. Sorry.
Ugh.
I do not know what that was.
Imagine like feeding fish and you're throwing bread in the water.
Ew, that's what it looked
and then
like.
drinking. Ooh.
The last thing I believe. Is there anything else besides my favorite?
We had dinner in America.
Okay, well that's not part of the Flower and Garden Festival, but go ahead.
Woo! I had some brisket.
We got free ribs that we ended up paying for.
Free ribs. And that right there, just because of the quantity of that, and obviously it was free, so unfair advantage, the quantity shoots that up to like a 9. Just because I was able to eat a lot of it. That was good.
Now, I saved the best for last, and it was the literal last thing we got. 10 out of 10. 10 and a half out of 10. Would recommend the violet lemonade.
10.5 out of 10? That's not possible. There's only 10. That's
It is. We got it last year, had to get it again this year just because I don't know what about it. And we tried something else. It had lavender. We got a lavender lemonade from somewhere. I don't think it was in EPCOT though. But the day before we got a violet lemonade, or a lavender lemonade, not mixed together. It was just a literal lemonade with lavender in it. That was still good, but I don't think it was the same thing that they used to make it.
Whatever they put in that flour, they must put like...
His favorite part is the flour that they put on top.
They gotta put like... Oh, I can't say anything about DRUGS. Like, that thing is addictive.
Refreshing factor. I believe it was good. Anything lemonade, and it was a frozen slushy type thing. That was good.
Brain freeze out the wazoo, though.
Well, because you drink it too fast because it's good. That's a personal problem. Why is it a festival staple for us? Why do we make sure we got it? Because
It's good.
I don't know why. It's just it's the best tasting thing. Is it overhyped? No.
What?
The
What?
violet lemonade.
No.
No, everyone, I thought they were hyping it up, but no. I would buy like 5 of those if I could.
It was good. It was really good.
Top 3 savory.
Number 3,
Savory.
How many savory things did we get?
Avocado toast, shrimp and grits.
Oh man.
Chips and dip, beef tenderloin.
Oh. 3, beef tenderloin. 2, avocado toast. 1, shrimp and grits. Because I can't include the American dinner stuff. That would
Yeah, because that would have been top. That was very filling. Was it all worth the money? Yes. I think we did get more.
Just kidding.
We did get more, but half of it was
Yes.
real foods. Because there's a big portion where there's not really much food in between. So, like, in the American area, the only place to get there was the American food. So, that's where we ended up stopping that day because it was so hot and it started to rain. So, that's just where we ended up. But if you're coming to Flower and Garden Festival this year, these are the things I would recommend. So make sure to be prepared for next week's video. It's the first actual vlog of the series, which is Animal Kingdom. So make sure you're subscribed and ready for that. And we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!